light.
Guys, welcome to the vlog. It's another day. Today it's very rainy. Very.
My name is Chase, and I live in Tucson, Arizona, where, for some strange reason, the weather here is absolutely terrible. And usually, on a normal day in the summer, it's about 100 degrees. And today, it's raining. And it sucks. I hate it. Because when you're trying to record on an iPhone, it doesn't work.
Alright guys, so we have a new vlogger. Actually, I know he's on the swim team with me, so he's kind of, you know, wants to start out with YouTube. So what the heck, might as well help him out, right? So yeah, there was not much going on just because it is absolutely cloudy and rainy, as you can see. Very cloudy and rainy today. The other thing is, I start school tomorrow. That's another part of another adventure. My last year in high school as well. So, what's that? What else? Where'd Chase go? Oh, he's over here.
About vlogging. It's my first one, but okay. So this is probably one of my. This kid inspired me to do YouTube. His channel is Multi Kyle Rocks 1.
Yep.
So I wasn't really sure about uploading today. I don't really know when I'll be uploading videos because I start school on Thursday, which is the 4th, and so I think that I'll do vlogs.
Guys, subscribe to Chase at Chase Newbold. That's CHASE and EBOLD. Newbold, NEWBOLD. I think I got that right. Anyways, Chase Newbold vlogs. You can. I'll put the link in the description below, so you can check out his channel. So what?
That's so awkward. I need that editing software.
What?
I need an editing software.
Okay.
Wait, are you vlogging right now?
Yeah, it's recording.
Hey guys. Don't shout me now.
I did.
I need that editing software really bad.
Okay.
Because if I don't get it, then I can't like make quality videos.
So I should get movie Maker or something.
But if I get Movie Maker, then it's just gonna, I don't know.
Yeah.
Because then I can cut whenever I want.
You can.
For,
I definitely think that other app thing that Howie Mandel or whatever used.
Pinnacle Studio?
Yeah.
I think that's what I'm gonna start out on, and then once I get more comfortable. Wait, how long is this video? It's 2 minutes and 23 seconds.
That's not bad. That's not bad. Mine, I'm at 3 minutes right now. Well, 4 minutes. But, yeah. There's not much stuff to do anymore.
Yeah, it's raining. It sucks.
If you had your car, that'd be more like. We're like walking in circles. Like, what the hell?
Usually there's a contractor.
Usually.
So, guys, please, I need support on my channel. It's Chase space Newbold space vlogs. So if you would like to subscribe, please subscribe. I really
I'll put the link in the
appreciate it.
description below. Because, yeah. That's what I do. Where to now?
It's really done, like, stuff, so. I mean, if I had a waterproof case, I would just do that. Like, freaking don't.
Freaking dope.
I have to cut down on my curse words.
I think in my first 2 vlogs I kind of cussed a little bit. My mom got on me for that, but whatever. Like, my mom to subscribe to you.
That'd be so weird.
Oh, it's so wet. What are they doing in the course? Can we just go walk on the course?
If you want to, I don't really want to get my phone out. I think I'm gonna do another clip right now. Do like another like.
Let's do it.
clip. So should I just? Cause I cut it right there, and then I'm gonna start another one, and then.
Oh, so the one you just did is just a whole new video?
No, it's not a whole new video.
Or just a video and then this one?
Like this is all one video. I'm gonna cut it into. You'll see.
Alright.
Are you still recording right now?
Yeah, I'm at 6 minutes.
I think you should cut it when like we're not shooting anything.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Is it like really raining?
I mean, I'm not afraid to take this camera out, but
I'm afraid to get my phone out. I mean, I'm getting a new phone in 4 months.
you gonna start a new clip?
Yeah. Did we go walker? I don't really know walker.
If it wasn't raining, it wouldn't be that big of you.
Yeah. So I think right now we're gonna go like walk around. I want to look at that coat though.
Yeah, do it. Oh, another thing is that I'm not gonna be uploading much because of school. Probably mostly every Sunday now because due to the hard work at school. God, that door's so loud. I know.
So you want to just end that vlog right now?
This one, yeah.
And then we can iPhone. It doesn't work. And
This is copyright.
you don't really want to get your phone wet because it'll break and then you can't vlog anymore.
Guys, I know this today wasn't a very long video. I just want to get something online today. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, more videos to come. I promise you they'll get better. Today was just not such a great day with all the rain, the clouds, and just not much doing today. So, yeah. See you later.